Hello students, in last class we have discussed about character literals. I've not continued the character literals, I've just explained. So today we will go in detail. What is a character literal? A character literal is one character that is enclosed in single quotes. One character that is enclosed in single quotes. This is a character which is enclosed in a single quotes. This is a character literal which is enclosed in single quotes. This is a character literal which is enclosed in single quotes. So whatever character which is enclosed in single quotes is known as character literals. Java allows you to have certain non-graphical characters. Java allows you to have certain non-graphical characters. What are these non-graphical characters? In your system, there are many characters which cannot be directly typed, such as space, backspace. It cannot be directly typed. Yes. See, non-graphical characters are those characters that cannot be typed directly from the keyboard. We cannot directly type that from the keyboard. Example, backspace, tabs, carriage written, etc. Tab cannot be directly typed. Yes. So non-graphical characters are characters that cannot be directly typed from the keyboard. Underline this. So example, backspace and tabs. These non-graphical characters can be represented by using escape sequences. Very, very important topic. What is escape? When we use a escape sequence, there was a question in the exam. When we use an escape sequences, we use an escape sequence to represent the non-graphical characters. We use escape sequences to represent the non-graphical characters. What are these non-graphical characters? Non-graphical characters are characters that cannot be typed directly from the keyboard. Non-graphical characters are characters that cannot be typed directly from the keyboard. So to represent non-graphical characters, we use escape sequences. To represent non-graphical characters, we use escape sequences. For that, the syntax for writing escape sequences is: first we have to specify a backslash. And then you have to write the characters. It has been so escape sequence is represented by using a backslash. This table is very important. You can omit /r, /v and /f. Rest you have to learn. I will tell you. First one, /a. It is used for audible bell. That is means to give a alert message. /b is for backspace. /n is for new line. I said that println is used for new line. You can use /n also for the new line. Next one, /t, horizontal tab, // backslash and /* single quote, /* double quote, /? See, in this above table, you can see sequences representing / single quote, double quote and question mark also. This can be typed directly. Then why we use escape sequences to print this? Because in Java, / has a separate meaning. This has a single quote has a separate meaning. Double quote has a separate meaning, and a question mark has a separate meaning. So they are used for a special purposes. So they cannot be directly typed. So if you want to directly type these all things, you have to use as escape sequences. You see sequences representing question mark also. Though these characters can be typed from the keyboard, but when used without escape sequences, these carries a special meaning and a special purposes. That is why we are using a backslash to represent these characters, such as backslash, quotes, double quotes. Quotes is used for representing character, double quotes is used for representing string, and question mark is used for conditional operator that you will learn. However, if these are to be typed as it is, then escape sequences should be used. So if you have to type this as it is, you have to use as the escape sequences. Here is an example. I will show you with an example, then you will be clear with the escape sequences. See, I have here used a double quotes, but when an output comes, the double quote has not come. Yes, do it come? I will running the program, minimize it, XYZ, right click, object is created, create object, okay, and I am right clicking it, void process. See my output, even though the double quotes is there, it has not come. So if you want double quotes has to be come, you have to use it with the escape sequences. Escape sequences. I will make this as a comment. This one comment. This also single line single line comment. And next one I will make it as a multi-line comment. Slash star, and here I will make it as a star slash comment. See, these are comments, that is why it is become disabled. So here I will show you. I want to type slash double quotes for hello, double quotes for hello. So for that what I have to do is put a double quotes, and I want to here also again slash double quotes. You should not do it oppositely. It is just only for the command. So if you want to double quote, you have to repeat the syntax as it is like this. That is double quotes open, in between slash, double quotes, hello, slash, double quotes. Because why we are writing two times means we have to enclose the hello with the two double quotes. Now I will show you your output, then you will be clear. I am running the program. Now XYZ, okay. Now XYZ, Y process. See your output. Now this comes hello in double quotes. This way you can use. So if you want to two times, you can use. Suppose I want only one time. I just don't want the backslash. This one. Okay. Now we will see what is the output. Compile it. Every time when you make changes in the program, you have to compile it. Then only it will be saved in the new program. Okay. Compile the program and void process. See, I have put only one single quote at the beginning. It has come like this. So you can use escape sequences to print non-graphical characters. Non-graphical characters are characters which cannot be typed directly from the keyboard. And it is also used for type single quotes, backslash, double quotes, question mark, because even though these symbols can be typed directly from the keyboard, it has a special meaning. If it is used alone, it has a special meaning. So we cannot use it as it is. So that is why we are using escape sequences. We type these things. The following are some examples of character literals. A, percentage, slash T. This is also a character literal. This is also a character literal. Character literal. Why? There are many. See here. There is two things. Slash also, T also. But we said that character literal means only one character. Here it is a very good example. Slash T means it is a single character. Slash T means a single character. That is tab. To represent tab, that is we are using slash T. So it is a single character. This is also a single character. This is also a single character. To represent a single quote, we use a slash. This is also a single character. This is the Unicode. This is also a single character, and a single character. Next one is string literals.